Welcome back to Excel with Mark, and today what we're going to be looking at is how we can quickly turn on the developer tab within Excel. So this is something that kind of isn't turned on as standard, but something that's highly useful if you want to create a lot of different customizable things within Excel itself. So we can see that up here we have tabs, or what we call tabs. So we have the file, the home, the insert, page layout, and so on and so on. And whenever you click onto these, so we click on page layout, we can see that we get within the ribbon part of Excel here all these different options and different things that we can work on as we move through Excel, and some of them more complicated than others. Just makes things a little bit easier and speeds a lot of things up. But one of the things that we can work on and that we can make even more customizable is by turning on the developer tab. So clicking up here onto the file and then going down to options, we can then click into the customize ribbon part. So within clicking on this, we can see that we have the main tab selected up here, and we can see all the different kind of tabs that we're able to quickly turn on and what we're able to look at and what we've already got on. We can see that here the developer tab is currently unticked, so if we click on that and then click OK, when we look up at the tab now, we can see that the developer tab is now turned on. So if we click onto that, we can see all the different options that this now affords to us. So just having a quick look at this, then we can see that we're able to record macros from here, and we're also able to quickly access VBA. So we can press the Alt F11, Alt F11 if we wanted to do on that to access it, or we can click up to there, and we can also use the insert, and we can insert things like buttons and checkboxes and so on and so on. And then we can make things a lot more kind of customizable as we move through. So these are just some of the things that we can quickly get to by having the developer tab. Hopefully you found this useful, and we'll show you how to use a lot more of these in the coming up kind of videos. But thanks a lot for watching, and we will hopefully see you again soon.